Now on to news on the COVID-19 pandemic. Good news tonight on the national vaccination campaign as more doses are expected to land in country by the end of the month. The health minister told our Cleopatra Murphy that the public will also finally have the opportunity to choose which vaccine they wish to receive.
The Bahamas is expected to receive some 57,330 doses of the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine, possibly by the end of the month, that has been offered through PAHO and the COVAX facility. Minister of Health, the Honorable Renward Wells, says he expects to have a more definitive timeline on the shipment by Friday. He also gave details on an additional shipment of AstraZeneca.
We are entitled to some 33,000+ doses of AstraZeneca. The date for arrival of that vaccine is July 26th, and so we are eagerly awaiting AstraZeneca on July 26th. We are also awaiting the update through CARICOM for the donation directly from the United States as to how much doses of that vaccine we will be receiving. We should have that update this week as well.
The anticipation for the new shipment comes amid an increase in COVID-19 hospitalizations in the Bahamas, and as the much more transmissible Delta variant now accounts for more than 50% of COVID-19 cases in the U.S., a growing concern for the Bahamas. With the country now increasing its vaccine options, Wells says residents will be afforded the opportunity to select which they prefer.
On the platform now, I believe for those folks who would have been vaccinated elsewhere, I believe that there's an opportunity for you to be able to choose which vaccine it is that you would have received abroad. For us in country, once we would have gotten the potential to offer additional vaccines, there will be a line that asks whether or not you would like to be vaccinated with another vaccine.
The U.S. plans to distribute some 500 million doses of the Pfizer vaccine to the global community into 2022, but Wells could not confirm if the expected shipment is a part of that offering. He also expects the Bahamas to get additional Pfizer doses through COVAX.
I anticipate that there'll probably be additional offers of Pfizer vaccine for the final fourth quarter of the year.
As government looks to increase the number of vaccinated Bahamians, he says it is looking to secure the Johnson & Johnson vaccine through the African portal. China has also offered its vaccines that include Sinopharm and Sinovac.
We are in discussions with them as to the offer, as we were in discussions with the United States as to its offer. But it's interesting that you pointed out 1 billion persons have been vaccinated with Sinovac, I believe is the Chinese vaccine. To date, I believe some 4 billion persons around the planet, 4 billion, would have received at least one shot of a vaccine. And there's about 7.6 billion people on the planet. So that ought to give you some of the understanding of the math as to vaccine hesitancy and acceptance.
In country, 97,992 doses of COVID-19 vaccine have been administered, 60,303 people have received their first shot, and 37,689 people have been fully inoculated. Cleopatra Murphy, ZNS Network News.
If you missed anything, we've got you covered. Subscribe to our ZNS Network YouTube channel and follow us on our social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter for breaking news, live event coverage, web exclusives, and much more.